20. Sie oder ihr hier seid, wie gesagt, einen entspannten Abend. Und jetzt begrüße ich einmal den Dirk und der begrüßt dann die Musiker. Vielen, vielen Dank.
Dass ich mich sehr freue, dass ihr wieder hier seid. Ich sehe auch neue Gesichter, das ist immer besonders schön für uns. Richie und Jamie sind Geschwister, ich weiß nicht, ob man das sieht, aber sie haben den gemeinsamen Vater, der eine Leidenschaft für Musik hatte. Dieses Album möchten sie natürlich den Leuten zeigen. Und wo macht man einen Tourauftakt? Einer Deutschland-Tour. Wo macht man das? Hier, heute in Dedinghausen. Okay. I've got some really great artists here. Two lads from Ireland, right from Dublin. Would you like to check them out today? They've got great music for you. So, give a warm welcome to Cry Monster Cry.
Guten Abend. Hello, that good? My name is Richie and this is my brother Jamie and we're called Cry Monster Cry. We're very, very, very happy to be here with you this evening in this beautiful surrounding. We've been coming to Germany for a year or two, and every time we come here we have a great experience and an adventure. We don't get to play places like this in Ireland, so we're looking forward to this evening.
We're gonna play a song that we wrote in Germany, and it became the title track of our new album called Tides. So we have to thank you for inspiring it, you lovely German people. Ocean lies between us, still we fight the tide. It's alright, it's alright. Waiting on our own to arrive. Yeah. And you told me it was rare you found this strong. So I hope and so I pray that I could change my ways and live for better days, but I was wrong.
Everybody's very quiet. Is it because it's Thursday?
Because it's raining.
It's raining, oh. Irish weather.
This next one is called When We Were Friends, and we wrote that after visiting Paris.
Can see
Lost alone in memory. If only I could make amends back when we were friends. And if there is a God, He will not speak to me. Moving between us so secretly. Oh, pretend to act like we were friends. Lost somehow, reach for the sky. It's so hard to get by so What you do now, I'm so high for you, I don't know why, oh why, but you do, I'm so high.